Okay, well you can see I've glued up 3 boards here. I've got 2 oak boards, one on each side, and then a walnut board in the middle. So I've got them glued up. I'm going to run them through the table saw now. I'm going to cut them into 3 separate pieces, and then that'll give me 3 blanks to make my tire thumpers with. So stay tuned. Okay guys, we're back over here at the lathe. We got one of these blanks mounted up. Let's have some fun here and see what kind of a club we can shape out of this. Most people wouldn't use a bowl gouge to do this job, but I use these more than anything else, and I'm just more familiar with them, so that's what I use. Just gonna wet it down with some water here, kind of raise the grain before I do a final sanding. Don't have to do this, but if you don't, it ever gets wet, the grain will raise up on it.
Let that spin and dry for a second.
Now I'll put a little finish on it. That's a mixture called shine juice. A lot of guys use that. I'll get a couple coats on there and then we'll speed the lathe up and go over it and get it to where it warms up, and that puts a real nice shine on it. It's like a friction polish. All right, that looks nice. Walnut and oak. So I'll go over here now, and what I'm planning on doing is drill a hole through the base here and put a leather strap on there. Well, there she is, all complete. I got the leather strap on there, which makes it kind of nice. Wrap your hand in that, and that way you don't lose it. You can see I got a couple other blanks already made up there where I glued up those boards and then split them into 3 blanks. So I'll be making 2 more of these. Probably won't look exactly the same, but something similar. Some people have been asking me if I'm planning to sell any of this stuff. Yeah, I sell. I've got bowls, and I've got a lot of bowls and some other projects I've done for sale. And I'm gonna probably, the ones that at least the ones I do a video on, I'm probably gonna start putting those on eBay. So if anything anybody's interested in, just shoot me a message or comment, and I'll send you the link to it when I get it up for sale. So appreciate you guys. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks.